It's Bruce Fummey here. If you enjoy the stories that I tell, then why not come round Scotland with me on one of the 2 tours that I'll be taking personally in 2025. I talked about them in a recent video I made about a wonderful Argyll road trip. We'll take this route on the 11-day group tour that I'm leading in autumn 2025. We'll also visit Iona and Fingal's Cave in Staffa. We'll visit Inverness, Edinburgh and St Andrews, Culloden and Clava Cairns. I'll do a live comedy show and it'll all end with a fantastic ceilidh. If you want to find out about this fantastic trip or the one that I'll be leading in spring of 2025, then click the link top right or email alexis@scotlandhistorytours.co.uk. Of course, if you'd rather a private bespoke tour with up to 6 folks in my groovy, environmentally friendly electric SUV, then you'll find a link on the website for that as well.